Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about natural gas. Now it is one of the most talked commodities, and obviously the recent geopolitical crisis has deepened their problems because they are the one who are highly dependent on this particular product, and you can see things have changed quite drastically in the last one and a half year, where the big trend has almost turned against them. So let us discuss about the big trend of natural gas and let us see what lies ahead as far as the trend is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So the chart that I'm using is natural gas futures monthly chart CFD. Now you need to understand couple of things. Okay, uh, if you are looking into business channels, it's good, but if you are over excessively taking or grasping the news, it may not be a good thing for you in that case. Now what we have seen right now is natural gas has indeed made some very big moves, and I am one of them who talked about natural gas when it was trading in between $2 and $3, and I was very sure about the trend that it will hit $7 or $8 on the upside, and it actually did, and did in a very short amount of time, and hit the high of 9.6 9.7 and corrected a bit. That's what has happened as far as natural gas is concerned, okay, or the trend of natural gas is concerned. Now, is this the end of an uptrend? So the answer for that is probably not, because the current action by the US Fed or US Central Bank uh, and the tools they have is basically related to demand, the cater the demand side problem. But what about the supply side problem? Because when a geopolitical crisis or a geopolitical tension has been going on in between those two countries, which are the major exporters of commodities, whether they are talking about agro commodities or other commodities, and they are exporting 30% to the world's consumption, then you are not tackling the, or you are not here to do anything about the supply side issue. You are only going to tackle the demand side issue with monetary instruments, and that's what is happening as far as the current scenario is concerned. And in that case, you may see a price which may correct a bit, but this is not going to be the end of the problem. So right now, here we are, all these levels have been tested and tested quite fast, and the high that the price chart of natural gas future has tested was 9.89 or 9.8 9.9, and right now it is trading at 7.5. But let me tell you, if it continues to sustain above 6.11 and more specifically above 6.7, this is not the end of the trend, that's for sure. Okay, it needs to fall down significantly below 4.75, then we may see what lies ahead as far as the trend is concerned, but not right now. And if it continues to sustain above 6.69 or 6.7, then the current range that we are looking here will be 6.69 on the downside and 9.89 on the upside. And if it moves further on the upside and surpasses 9.89, there is still a possibility of 12.2, then you have 14.3, and we have $16.3 on the upside. So all these possibilities are there, and still it's alive. So you need to be very sure about the current range or the current downfall which you are looking. As I told you, you may try to cover the problem, but there is no one who is trying to solve the problem, and this is the reaction. Commodities will be the reaction of it, and natural gas is one of the major reaction point because it has consumed most, and you are trying to stop people not to consume more to tackle inflation. Let us see how much or how successful it will be. Chances are it will be very less. And as far as the trend is concerned, once it surpasses 9.89, there is a potential of 12, 14 and 16 as well on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.